Throughout Sunday, we stayed with quite a lot of thick fog patches along the west coast. We also had partly cloudy skies across southwestern South Africa. Over the northeast, we are seeing a few patches of cloud which are going to be giving us isolated thunder showers throughout Sunday night. Now on Monday, we are going to stay with fog along the west coast and part of the southwest coastline. It's going to be fine and warm across much of South Africa. However, across the southwestern sections, a lot of cloud will be creeping in here ahead of that cold front which is slowly pushing towards our shores. Now here's a closer look at the weather on Monday, starting with KwaZulu-Natal. It's going to be sunny and warm here, temperatures lying in the lower 30s over the eastern sections, but it's going to be slightly cooler as we go towards Ladysmith, Newcastle and Vryheid, all peaking in the upper 20s. Similar weather conditions are forecast across the Eastern Cape, a high of 26 for Port St. John's, similar temperatures in East London, a bit cooler for Port Alfred with a high of 25, 24 for the top temperature in Port Elizabeth, a high of 33 is forecast for Graaff-Reinet. It's going to be partly cloudy for the south coast, temperatures here lying in the mid-20s, but hot weather is forecast as we go towards the interior. Partly cloudy to cloudy for the southwest coastline, Cape Town managing a high of just 23 degrees. Remember the fog along the west coast. It's going to be partly cloudy for Springbok with a high of 28. Mostly sunny over the eastern sections of the Northern Cape, where temperatures will lie in the lower 30s, 30 for the high in Bloemfontein. We are expecting partly cloudy skies across the northwest, where Mahikeng should peak at around 30 degrees. The same for Rustenburg, and a high of 29 is forecast for Zeerust. Partly cloudy skies as well for Limpopo, 29 in Polokwane. A few sprinkles cannot be ruled out for Tsanin and Phalaborwa. It's going to be dry across Mpumalanga, Mbombela peaking at 28. The same for Emalahleni. Partly cloudy and dry for Gauteng, a warm 27 for the high in Joburg, and Pretoria will hit the 30-degree mark. We are expecting moderate to fresh northwesterlies across the western parts of the country, northeasterly winds for Richards Bay and Durban, and variable winds are forecast for the south coast, and northwesterly airflow is forecast for the Cape Peninsula. Looking ahead to Tuesday, light rain is forecast for Cape Town, and it's going to be mostly sunny and warm for the rest of the country. On Wednesday, rain spreads further up the west coast and eastwards along the south coast. It's going to be dry for the rest of the country.